Hello everyone. In the previous class we have discussed about how to find order and degree of a given differential equation. In today's class, let us discuss about the solution of a differential equation. Solution of a differential equation. So, first, let us know the definition of solution of a differential equation. Please note that solution of a differential equation is a functional relation between the variables involved which satisfies the given equation. Solution of a differential equation is a functional relation between the variables involved which satisfies the given equation. In the solution, we have many more types such as general solution, particular solution, and singular solution. The general solution of a differential equation in which the number of arbitrary constants is equal to order of the given differential equation. Here we go for arbitrary constants. So the solution of a differential equation in which first condition is the functional relation should satisfy the given differential equation. That will be called as the solution. And that solution such that in which the number of arbitrary constants is equal to order of the differential equation is called as general solution. It is also called as complete solution. Note the term general solution, and general solution is also called as complete solution. Next we have particular solution. The solution in which the arbitrary constants are given by the particular value, or if the particular values are given to the arbitrary constants, then that solution is called as particular solution. I repeat the definition. If the particular values are given to the arbitrary constants in the general solution, then that solution will be called as particular solution. Next one is singular solution, which is very easy. The solution which is neither general solution nor particular solution, which is known as singular solution. Okay. So, as the definition of these solutions, we have some note. Take down as note. First note is equation of first order has one arbitrary constant. Very important. One arbitrary constant. And the second note, equation of second order or equation of order 2. Order 2 has two arbitrary constants. Similarly, you can write of order n will has n arbitrary constants. So, you can write it directly as the order of the given equation is equal to the number of arbitrary constants involved in it. Okay, let us go for one example. Show that, first example, write it down. Show that x square plus 4y is equal to 0 is the solution for differential equation dy by dx the whole square plus x into dy by dx minus y equal to 0. Show that here they had given one solution and we need to show that this is the solution for the given differential equation dy by dx the whole square plus x into dy by dx minus y equal to 0. Okay. Solution means this functional relation. What they had given is the relation. They are giving like that, which satisfies this given differential equation. So let us prove that. Let us go for the solution. Okay. We have x square plus 4y equal to 0, right? Call this as equation 1. Next, differentiating this equation with respect to here. We know that they are giving dy by dx, right? So here x is the independent variable and y is depending on x. Therefore, we need to differentiate with respect to x. So, derivative of x square is 2x plus 4 into derivative of y. Here we need to differentiate this y with respect to x. Therefore, it will be dy by dx and derivative of 0 is 0 itself. Okay. Now, finding the value of dy by dx, this will be equal to, it will be minus 2x divided by 4, which is minus x by 2. So, we have x square plus 4y equal to 0 and dy by dx equal to minus x by 2. By this equation, we can find the value of y also. So, substituting the value of y and we got the value dy by dx in equation 2. We call this equation as equation 2, right? Because which is the given differential equation. If this solution should satisfy this equation, then we get the LHS and RHS equal. So, we are trying to find out the value of this dy by dx and this y, and substituting those values in this equation, we should get the equality for this case. So, let's go for that. Consider the LHS part, and LHS is given as dy by dx the whole square plus x into dy by dx minus y, right? So, I am substituting the value. We got dy by dx as minus x by 2 whole square plus x into again dy by dx value is minus x by 2 minus y. So, we have x square plus 4y equal to 0, which implies 4y equal to minus x square or y equal to minus x square by 4. Am I correct? So, I am substituting minus x square by 4 minus into minus plus. Am I clear? Yes. Now, solving, this will be x square by 4. Minus, here this will be x square by 2 and plus x square by 2 here. Am I right? Oh, sorry. Here x square by 4. Now, this will be here x square by 4 plus x square by 4 is x square by 2 minus x square by 2, which is 0, which is the RHS of the given differential equation. Thus, you can show that this is the solution of the given differential equation. Be careful while doing or while solving the problem. Similarly, show that, second example, show that y equal to e raised to x is the solution for the differential equation dy by dx minus y equal to 0. Okay, please do this yourself, which is very important. This is about finding the solution or trying to show the given differential equation having particular solution. Okay. Next, we need one note. The general procedure to form a differential equation using the given solution. Okay, take down the heading, general procedure to form a differential equation, using given solution. Okay, let's do that. Let f of x, y, c1, c2 so on up to cn is equal to 0 be a relation between x and y containing n arbitrary constants c1, c2, c3 and so on up to cn. Okay, which is the function containing the variables x, y as well as other arbitrary constants c1, c2 so on up to cn. Okay, write it down carefully. Differentiating n times we get, so we have this equation. By differentiating this equation n times we get n relations, right? Simply by looking this problem, you know this is the differential equation, okay, and this equation is having this solution, which is one of the solution. Again, neglecting this solution, you have this differential equation of order 2, right? This order 2 will have two arbitrary constants. Therefore, you will get two relations for this particular differential equation. Similarly, differential equation of n arbitrary constants will be of order n only. n arbitrary constants ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ n ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ the differential equation of order n will have n arbitrary constants. Similarly, a differential equation having n arbitrary constants implies that the differential equation is of order n. By using that concept, you can write differentiating n times of this relation, you get n relations. So, total n relation and the given differential equation totally n plus 1 relation. I am repeating, differentiating n times we get n relations using those n plus 1 relation. Which are those? N relation plus 1 given solution. We have to eliminate the arbitrary constants. Those n plus 1 relations, we have to eliminate arbitrary constants and obtain the differential equation, which will be of the form f of x y dy by dx d square y by dx square and so on up to d raised to n y by dx raised to n which is equal to 0 is of order n. Okay. So this is one important note or working procedure. So by using this procedure we find the solution of the given equation or finding the differential equation. Okay. Write it down clearly. You can go through this again and again. We solve some more problems regarding this in the next class.